Life can be tough, and we often find ourselves just trying to make it through each day. But the truth is, if we try to do everything on our own, we will likely fail. There's a choice we can make to try and get by alone or to join forces with others and be part of a team that can achieve so much more together. When life gets particularly hard, it's easy to feel like we're struggling on our own. But that's when it's most important to reach out to our teammates. Who do you rely on when things get tough? Who's there to help you through the good and the bad times? When we work together, we can weather any storm that life throws at us. It's like a game of bowling, with each bowling ball representing a new challenge or hardship in life. Each bowling ball dropping down the gutter or getting a strike. But as a team, we have the strength and agility represented by the knife to knock them all down with ease. And let's not forget the fire, the passion that inspires us all to success. So let's work together and overcome any obstacle that comes our way. Because in this journey called life, we are all in it together.